Hey guys, welcome to the Techy, and today we will start off the channel with a typography tutorial, which is most commonly known as the text behind the image. So basically we will be using the PicsArt app on the mobile device to achieve this look. First, select the image that you want on the PicsArt app. We are using the anime character Luffy. Now select the text option and type in the text that you require. We are using the character's name here, Luffy. Now go ahead and pick out the font. Choose the one best suited for the theme you are going for. When you're done, adjust the placement of the image and your text so that the text overlaps the image. Then select the eraser and erase the text that overlaps the image. This gives an illusion of the text being behind the image. Now all that's left to do is add in some effects and make your image look more pleasing. Choose the effect you like and you're done. Also, if you want to make your text glow or create the effect of glow, then keep on watching. Just select Erase again and erase the added effect from the letters. Trace the letters with the erasers and look, the text is now glowing. So that's it for the typography tutorial on PicsArt, and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching, see you all next time.